Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canizzato here with my grandson
Gino.
Today we're going to be preparing for you Costolette di Maiale Arrabbiata, which is center-cut pork chops spicy. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. Ingredients that we need: pork chops, Yukon Gold, mixed peppers, mushroom, onions, basil and parsley, hot cherry pepper, salt, black pepper, oregano, garlic, and olive oil. You don't want them too much on top of each other. You want to give it enough space that they roast, you know? Right. These babies, they look like they're ready to be flipped. And we're going to cook them just the same time on the other side. And we'll be back. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next recipe and bon appetit.
Bon appetit.